Drumming with Shawn. This is a bedroom in my house, and today we are going to turn this room into my new studio. So right now we have some slate panels made by Artika. So we are going to install these all over the wall. And stay tuned to find out what this room is going to be next.
This is the studio after installing the slate panels, and it has turned my room into a stunning creative space. I'm excited to share the product we used, the installation process, and some helpful tips along the way. The product we used is the Artika Sonolok Slat panel. I made a short unboxing video for it, and I'll include the link at this end of the video. Be sure to check it out if you haven't already. Before starting, make sure to caulk all the small gaps around the power outlets and any cracks for better soundproofing.
These are the tools you will need to install these slate panels. So here we have a DeWalt wood cutting saw. It's a really good one. A miniature small saw. A handy dandy screwdriver. Walkabout utility knife set made by Cobalt. Here are the glue we will need.
If you pre-drill the screws into the felt before installation, it'll make the process much easier, especially if you're working solo. When attaching each panel to the wall, ensure there are no gaps between the felt. Gently drive the screws into the wall without over-tightening them. Use the provided end caps at the wall corners and place the panel on top of the end caps for a polished look. Remember, never over-tighten the screws. One of the trickiest parts of installing the panels is cutting them. While a handsaw works, using an electric wood cutter makes the job much easier. Before cutting, measure and mark the panel carefully. For better visibility of the line, stick painter's tape over the marking and draw the lines on it. This will guide you while cutting. After cutting, you can smoothen the edges with sandpaper. This step is optional but gives a professional finish. To clean up dust after cutting the panels, use a vacuum cleaner. It's quick and keeps the area tidy. For even less mess, cut the panels outside the house to keep dust away. Remember, never over-tighten the screws. In addition to installing the acoustic panels, I also added door sweep weather stripping and a silicone weather stripping door seal to enhance the soundproofing of the room. In the end, I let my iRobot handle the cleanup. And here it is, the final look at my music studio. Stay tuned for more videos where I'll share details about my studio setup and drum kits. I hope you enjoyed the video and useful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.